It's 2:00 in the morning. Let's play some trades. Why not? Like that was, I had to figure out that was like that was pick your poison. Either, yes, you can trade in the middle of the night, but do you need to? No. So I was excited that I could trade at any time, but I definitely, overtrading was the first failure when getting into futures trading.
Ooh, yes. Because I think many people think it's easier because you have more time. Something I was in forex, and forex was 24 hours, and overtrading was a big issue, especially when I was working.
Yeah, absolutely.
What are some of the biggest misconceptions when it comes to futures trading that you came around?
A misconception. I think it doesn't have to be specific to futures trading. I think it's just trading in general. And I mean, everybody wants instant gratification. They want to see the results tomorrow, yesterday, actually. They want to see results yesterday. And if they can understand that trading is similar, which I mean, everyone knows this. Everyone preaches it. Trading is like, you got to treat it like a business, or you got to treat.
So are you a fan of crypto in that way?
Gosh. I mean, it was FOMO. It was FOMO. It was also a combination of social media where I did some chart analysis and I said that, this looks like a great setup in Ethereum. And when price finally breaks this trend line that it's been following along for like the past 3-4 months, like when it finally breaks, I'm getting in on this setup. And then it happened and I felt like, okay, well, I made a video about it. I guess I'm gonna have to actually do this now. And I took the setup and it hurt to have to tell social media, like, actually, I did all this chart analysis and I posted about it and I talked about it, but guess what? I was wrong. And that hurt to do.
Ooh. I mean, crypto's getting kind of crazy now. Like, I've pretty much exited away from it.
Yeah.
After Bitcoin hit 100,000 and dropped down 80K now, I'm just gonna stand back and just watch it out.
That's
which is kind of annoying because I'm missing out on some staking rewards, but I'm just waiting it. But let's see, what's been your—
And this is in all transparency, all honesty. This is just the brutal truth. I can't wait till like maybe it's 3 years from now to where I have done enough proof. I have shown everyone every single year's broker statements, every month, every trade, to where I can actually experiment and trade on my own in private. I would love to see what I'm capable of when I can do it when no one's watching. That's what I'm really excited about, to be totally honest with you.
That's awesome. Essentially, looking at long term, I know when it comes to your journey, are you gonna like expand to more like passive cash flow, like dividend stocks and stuff like that, or just strictly not day trading, it'd be more like swing trading?
I think eventually I'd like to do long-term investments for sure. I mean, you got to be in it for the long run, obviously. So you don't get any of that gratification until much, much, much later. I'm sure I definitely would start moving into the long-term investments.
Flip my money from a prop firm to get rich from that. And I tell them there's a reason why prop firms are so difficult to flip your money.
Yeah, it is. I mean, I can't stress this part enough. And I feel like I've heard you say it on one of your streams as well, but it is, if people could truly understand that prop firms are for the professional traders. It's for the ones that already know what they're doing. Don't try to learn on a prop firm, please.
Yeah, I mean, I've talked to other people off stream about this, how they're setting up prop firms. Like they'll get the blank MetaTrader, set that up because they know the statistics into it. They'll have 1,000 people pay for it and only one person withdraws. It's a very good business, but the dangerous part about it, which people don't read that fine line, it's all simulated data.
Right.
They can modify the charts anytime they want.
Oh, that part's sketchy. The part that I do know is that, yes, it's the simulated markets. So nobody's actually trading live until you maybe graduate to some actual funded account. But that part I understood. I understood that it was simulated. I wasn't too interested. I think I was just so happy with what I was doing already. Happy with my market, happy with my strategy, happy with my instruments. I didn't want to add anything to the mix. But I think as of recently, I'd say these past like 8 months, maybe about a year, I can actually start to see the vision of crypto being like this ultimate currency now. Now I'm seeing the vision like long term. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I think this is more than what I'd thought before. I'm seeing like the long-term vision now. But I will be honest with you, I'm still a super noob. So there's still a lot more that I need to educate myself about. But I would say, yes, I do see myself investing long term.
Nice, because I tell people crypto is that Wild West. That's why I like to add like a little bit into the portfolio.
Oh yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
Not too much. Let's see. We got some comments in here, guys. I finally caught up to you guys. Let's see. Let's go with CJ. Okay, we'll go with the first question. Greg, yes, this is live.
I don't think so. No.
Subscribe now.
No.